Ready? Start. Being aggrieved and dissatisfied by the order of Learned Trial Court below Exhibit 5 in RCS number 1000/2010 dated 10th March 2005, the original defendant filed this appeal on the ground that order under appeal is against the provisions of law and facts, hence liable to be set aside. The trial court has not given findings for the point of determination as per provisions of law on available documentary evidence on record. The plaintiff is claiming possession over the suit property as a owner but has not pleaded in the plaint regarding her title and how she became owner of the suit property. This material aspect is not considered by the trial court. The trial court has unnecessarily given much importance to the copy of house number 1104 in bracket PTR. The said document is not sufficient to hold that plaintiff is in possession over the suit house. The trial court has mentioned in his judgment so many facts required to be proved at the time of final hearing. Therefore, trial court was required to reject the application Exhibit 5. Tahsildar Evath has given Kabala to mother of appellant. This fact is documentary proved by the appellant before the trial court. The trial court has not considered the pleading in the plaint and written statement properly. The application Exhibit 24 and 22 was wrongly rejected by the trial court and adjudicated the application Exhibit 5, which is highly objectionable in administration of justice. The trial court has wrongly held that the respondent is in possession over the house number 1104. Trial court has not considered the copy of property tax register of house number 1902 and certificate of Sarpanch of Gram Panchayat. On the above grounds and other grounds set out in the appeal, the appellant filed the present appeal. Para. Heard advocate appearing on behalf of appellant and advocate for the respondent, that is original plaintiff. I have gone through the order of Learned Trial Court below Exhibit 5 dated 10th March 2005 in RCS number 1000/2010. Considering the rival contents of the parties, following points arise for my determination. My findings thereon recorded as under for the reasons stated below. Para. The advocate of the appellant submitted that it is the case of the original plaintiff, that is respondent, herein that suit property is ancestral property and she is in possession of the same. However, defendant, that is appellant, has denied that the plaintiff is owner and possessor of the suit property. According to appellant, the name of the plaintiff wrongly recorded in record to the suit property in Gram Panchayat record. The suit property allotted to the mother of defendant having property number 1902, Gram Panchayat house number 1902 and Gram Panchayat house number 1104 is one and the same property. The plaintiff has not pleaded how she became the owner of the suit property. how she came in possession of the suit property. The plaintiff is neither owner nor in possession of the suit property. It is submitted that the present appellant had filed application Exhibit 22 before learned trial court for calling file in regard to mutation in respect of old house number 1119, new house number 1104 from Gram Panchayat, but said application was rejected. So also the application Exhibit 24 filed by the present appellants before the learned trial court for appointment of commissioner for measurement and inspection of Gram Panchayat house number 1902, house number 1119, new house number 1104. The said application is rejected by the learned trial court. It is submitted that finding given by trial court is sufficient to alter the order of learned trial court. Para. On the contrary, it is submitted on behalf of advocate of the respondent that the document at serial number 7 to 9 with list exhibit 4 prima facie shows that respondents herein, that is original plaintiff, is owner and possessor of the suit property. It is submitted that mother of appellant died in the year 1992. The list of Tahsildar in respect of allotment of Gharkul is of year 1975-76. In spite of that, never filed application to mutate her name at Gram Panchayat record. It is submitted that the order passed by learned trial court below Exhibit 5 dated 10th March 2005 in RCS number 1000/2010, it just, legal and proper. I have gone through the order of learned trial court below Exhibit 5, application Exhibit 5 and written statement cum se filed by the present appellant. So also documents placed on record along with list Exhibit 4.